the artist are doing thing, man. The artists are rise and them young same way and accomplish all of them things there. So what go wrong? You know what I mean? It's like the question is, how the artists just boom and just fall off, so just turn mad out. So other part them I get. What went wrong with the artist after the artist arise and do him thing? In my opinion, it's got to be two things, you know. It's either him smoke something, them give him something for smoke, right? And talking about smoke, allegedly, Buju Banton named it call. Buju Banton and Terror Fabulous have the same voice. See? Terror Fabulous the tune, and people used to think all Buju Banton. Terror a lead, you know. Terror a lead Gargamel, you know. See, the two of them young and things still about Terror are the mother artists.